Not much carb. Idiom. The idiom "not much carb" is a British informal expression used to describe something that isn't very good or is disappointing. Here are some examples. Film review. I was really looking forward to the film, but it was not much carb, I'm afraid. Album critique. I gather her latest album isn't much carb. Talent assessment. Just as he lacks any genuine talent for public speaking, so he's not much carb as a writer either. So the idiom "not much carb" is a British way of saying something isn't very good or disappointing. It's a casual and informal expression often used to give a quick and honest opinion. That's it for "not much carb" idiom. Please subscribe to learn more about idioms and phrases in English. Goodbye.